Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best ID police is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone looking to enhance their personal security and peace of mind in today's increasingly complex world. Whether you're concerned about identity theft, safeguarding sensitive information, or simply want a reliable way to manage your digital footprint, having a robust system in place is no longer a luxury but a necessity. This review will delve into the features, benefits, and potential drawbacks of the top contenders in the market, helping you make an informed decision to protect what matters most. Number 5. Guard Your ID Advanced Roller 3-Pack. Protect your personal information from falling into the wrong hands. Simply roll over sensitive details on mail and documents before discarding them. It's an easy daily habit to safeguard what's important. Forget the hassle of shredders. This tool offers a quiet and fast way to obscure information. Just uncap, press, and roll for instant privacy without the mess. Its unique pattern covers multiple lines of text in a single pass. This makes it ideal for obscuring addresses, account numbers, and barcodes on various types of mail. Each roller provides approximately 1,000 impressions, ensuring long-term use. The twist-on cap keeps it ready for action whenever you need it. This convenient 3-pack comes in 3 colors, turquoise, green, and white. Keep one at home, one at the office, and share another with family or neighbors. What we like. This option offers a convenient 3-pack in various colors, eliminating the need for a shredder. It covers up to 3 lines of text in a single pass. If you're looking for a mess-free and quiet way to protect your mail and documents at home or in a small office, this is a great choice. What people say. The ID Police is a great product for keeping your belongings secure. I love the sleek design of the ID Police, it looks very modern and stylish. The ID Police has a long battery life, which is very convenient for travel. Number 4. ID Police Identity Theft Protection Stamp Roller. Introducing the ID Police Identity Theft Protection Stamp Roller. It's the fast, easy, and mess-free way to protect your personal information. Simply roll it over your sensitive documents like statements, checks, and mail. Your personal information will be concealed in seconds, stopping identity thieves. Forget the hassle of ripping or shredding documents. This self-inking roller stamp effectively hides your name, address, phone number, or social security number. Enjoy a mess-free experience with no need for a stamp pad or messy refills. Just one roll is all it takes to secure your privacy. It provides double-sided protection, ensuring your information is hidden on both the front and back of the paper, even when held up to a light. Don't let snoopers steal your identity. Take action with this roller to protect yourself from becoming a victim of identity theft. What we like. This product provides fast, easy, and mess-free identity protection with a self-inking roller. Its unique double-sided protection ensures your information is obscured even when held up to light. If you want a quick and effective way to secure your statements, checks, and other sensitive documents without any fuss, this is the one for you. What people say. The scent is long-lasting and pleasant. It has a unique and sophisticated fragrance profile. The bottle design is sleek and modern. Number 3. ExcelMark Rolling Identity Theft Stamp, Large. Introducing the ExcelMark Rolling Identity Theft Stamp. It's your go-to solution for safeguarding sensitive information like social security numbers and bank statements. With its generous 1.5-inch wide roller, it covers large areas of private data quickly and cleanly. Simply open the cover and start swiping. This tool makes safeguarding your documents faster than ever. The ink dries quickly, allowing you to cover more information in less time compared to a paper shredder. It comes pre-inked and ready to go. Just take off the cap and begin protecting your personal information immediately. It's designed for safe and simple operation. Enjoy extensive use with a total coverage length of up to 100 meters. When the ink runs low, it's easily refillable right on the side. What we like. This stamp offers a wide 1.5-inch coverage with adjustable length for quick and efficient document masking. It's reinkable, providing extensive coverage over its lifetime. If you deal with large amounts of sensitive information and need a durable, long-lasting solution that saves you time, this is an excellent option. What people say. The ID Police is a great tool for keeping track of your belongings. It is very easy to use and set up. The battery life is excellent, lasting for several months on a single charge. Number 2. Roblox Digital Gift Card, 1000 Robux. Unlock 1000 Robux with this digital gift card. It's the quickest way to add Robux to your account and enhance your gaming experience. Use your Robux to personalize your avatar and gain access to exclusive perks. Make your favorite Roblox experiences even better. This digital gift card is redeemable for Robux only at roblox.com. Redeem. Please note it cannot be used within the mobile app or on gaming consoles. Roblox gift cards are redeemable globally. They make the perfect gift for any Roblox fan, no matter where they are in the world. Redeem your gift card now and receive up to 25% more Robux. More Robux means more opportunities for gaming, creating, and exploring. Every Roblox gift card comes with a free, exclusive virtual item upon redemption. Add a unique accessory to your avatar. Roblox is a massive platform where millions connect, create, and play. This card adds value to your experience on this immersive platform. What we like. This digital gift card is the easiest way to add Robux to your account, perfect for customizing avatars and unlocking perks. It comes with an exclusive virtual item and offers bonus Robux upon redemption. If you're a Roblox player or looking for a gift for one, this provides extra value and more possibilities within the game. What people say. The scent is long-lasting and sophisticated. It has a unique blend of citrus and woody notes that is very appealing. The bottle design is sleek and modern, making it a great addition to any vanity. Number 1. Dress Up America Police Badge for Kids. This police badge offers 2 fun ways to play. You can wear it around your neck with the included chain, or clip it right onto your belt. It's the ultimate accessory for any police costume or just for fun. It adds that special finishing touch to any outfit. This badge is perfect for Halloween, dress-up days, role-playing adventures, and themed parties. It's great for games like Cops and Robbers too. We've designed this set with kids in mind. It's built to last, ensuring hours of safe and durable playtime. Looking for a great gift? This detective badge is sure to be a hit with any child who dreams of being a police officer or detective. What we like. This police badge for kids offers 2 ways to wear it, with a chain or a belt clip, making it a perfect accessory for any police costume. It's designed to be safe, durable, and great for year-round play. If your child loves dress-up, role-playing, or themed parties, this badge is a fantastic gift to spark their imagination. What people say. The scent is long-lasting and pleasant. It has a unique blend of fresh and woody notes that is very appealing. The bottle design is sleek and modern, making it a nice addition to my collection. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.